Let's give people some time to catch up. All right.
Hold up. Hold up.
Okay. All right, we're back. Um, is anyone back in the chat yet? But are you here? I mean, everything else. Tail on code. Who's that? Oh, Tail from yesterday. What's up? What's up? What's up? All right. So, okay, let's actually move these here. There's only one window open. Keep that in there for now. All right. So here we are. Okay, let's see what happens. Right, members computer, whatever, whatever. Unless you can defeat them. First to five. Okay, same thing. Do you have what it takes to say man? Choose your weapon. Okay, so this is a user thing. I put in thing, tie game. Put in that, tie game. This one, what? Tie game, tie game, tie game. Let's go. You won. Paper, piece, rock. Okay. Okay, that's actually good. So we're gonna say. All right. So what other cases, right? User paper, comp, rock. User wins. Um, user rock, computer. User rock. Rock beats scissors, right? That's the only one user wins. User get rock that beats scissors. And then user gets scissors, com gets rock, rock wins, com gets paper. Okay, so those are the three win cases. Which I think, oh yeah, PRS, RSP. Yeah, that's basically what that thing is. Yeah, that's basically what Marble built earlier, right? Okay, so those are the cases. So if user input is P and computing bazaar, do that. user input equals rock, and computer input equals scissors. You want rock beat scissors. And then the last one is going to be, so these are the win cases. Scissors, and they have paper. Okay. So okay, we in paper, boom, paper beats rock. Scissors, hey, we beat straight away. Try again. Nope. Okay. And then there's paper rock. Okay, beat him first time, nothing. Hey, winning a lot. Okay. So that's the user's condition if. And now I guess we just do the same thing, but from just flip them around. um, okay, so computer one here. All right. Unexpected syntax for line 78. Oh. All right, rock. Okay, why is that undefined? Paper, scissors. Did I not flip that? All right, I don't know what the undefined is. Okay, so we got the thing. So now we need to do make it best out of 5, right? Best out of 5. And to make it best out of 5, hang on. SU1, S computer 1, S to draw. Okay, console to log. User round score. Am I so that this should mean that I've got I've got 2, right? Yeah. Because as soon as do you know what? I don't need a total score. Do I even need this? I don't think I need that. Um, maybe we need a while loop. So while user round score is less than 3, or computer so while it's less than 3, run all this gibberish. Right, and If not, console log went. Let's see. Console log wolf. Okay, so why was a bad idea? Um, yeah, because it's gonna keep doing it otherwise, right? Yeah, that's a bad idea. That is a bad idea. Let's get rid of that. We'll also get rid of that. Yeah, you defeat your computer, or otherwise computer something like that. It won't even let me run that anymore. Why? What happened? What did I break? Oh, it's running through some kind of loop. Yeah, I don't know what happened. What broke? What did I break? Okay. So now we need to basically do some kind of logic that says, only continue to allow. Okay. You can only do this if could it be a for loop or would it be a what? I don't know. For user round score is less than 3 or computer round score is less than 3. Maybe an if within another if. Greater than or equal to 3, then let's see, console.log user1 right? Else, if comp round score is greater than or equal to 3, in that case, console.log computer 1. Right? That should work, I think. Okay, I also want to log the user score just to see where we're at. Console log the computer score. Oh, right. So that would be the computer's. Let's see. So first round we're going to do that. Okay, user score is 1, comp score is 0. Round 1, I'm going to do another paper. Okay, I won, so my score is 2, and then I do P again. It's a draw, nothing happened, and then I want to rock. I walk. Okay, you won. But now the user score is 3, so it shouldn't let me go again. Alright, we have a problem. We have a big problem. So, I need it to stop at this point. How do I do that? Wait, computer didn't get anything on that one? Can I put all of this inside another if? I mean, I tried the if statement. It wasn't stopping it. So I'm not quite sure. Okay, where the hell is this gonna go? Let's see. Round R. Okay. Again. Okay, computer 1 this time. And then you keep doing that. To draw. Computer 1. To draw again. U1. Rock. Paper, B, scissors. But there shouldn't be U1. This should be boom, boom, boom. Because it's best of 5, right? So as soon as you hit 3, it should exit out of the game. And so how can you do that? So we got to go if function as long as that's under 3. Yo, what's up, Aurora? No, what's up? What do you mean no? And what am I doing wrong? So it's not gonna mean if. Can't do a while because it's gonna execute. It has to wait on as long as if condition. Okay, what do we have? No, it prints the console log, you win, then it comes to user 1. Oh, look at that. I didn't even see that. So they should now stop me from doing it. Yeah, look at that, undefined. Maybe that is right. I completely missed the user 1, man. Completely missed that. So it says undefined. So basically that means da da da. And then we gotta do a. It needs to reset after that point. So maybe it is working. Okay. Computer one. Computer one. Okay. Computer, can you win? Okay, great. So now computer one. Perfect. So now at this point, it should restart. Hmm. Undefined just means you don't get any return value because you don't have any returns. Okay. Right, okay. Alright, let me get rid of all of that. So if I just go return. Is return gonna break it though? I mean, is it gonna stop the code from executing after that point? But how you doing, man? How's your day going? I didn't even say hi. How's Thanksgiving? Are you from the States? I have a feeling this is gonna break. This is gonna break it. Oh, maybe not. But I've won so many times. 1, 2, 3. It's already 3, so why is it not? Dave Churchill raiding with 36 people. Hey, what's up, Dave? Thank you for the raid. How's it going? Rock, paper, scissors. So what's going on? How's your stream? Let me check you out. I don't think I've seen your channel. Dave Churchill. What do you do? Okay. You obviously code, doing some. Okay, I suppose that. But looks like you do more complicated stuff, man. Computer science professor, nice. Game AI programmer. Computer science professor, Memorial University. My field of research in AI for games. Awesome, awesome. Cool. Thank you for the raid. We just finished our final lecture. I'm raiding with my class. I teach computer science lectures on Twitch. Amazing. Um, so those are actually your university students. So students from Newfoundland University. Welcome everyone. So what I do is I'm learning to code. I started to learn to code from September. So it's my 2 months. We're going through the free code camp curriculum, and I just finished the JavaScript section yesterday. And then right now I'm just practicing that right now. Some some mix of students and random nerds, right? Awesome. Yeah, so I'm going through the free code camp curriculum. Finished off the JavaScript yesterday, and now trying to see, trying to build a rocks, paper, and scissors game to see if I know how, basically to practice what I learned. And in the stream, let's see, I'll show you my notes. So here's what we're doing right now. I need to go, but have a good stream. Awesome, man. Thanks again. Enjoy the rest of the day. All right, so guys, so everyone new from Dave's stream, here's what I'm doing. So I'm learning to code for 2 reasons: startup and startup. I'm guessing all computer science students will probably have a similar kind of aim. If that doesn't work out, second thing, go to dev job, right? And current plan until Q1 of 2021, so until March, is to complete the free code camp JS curriculum, which I finished off yesterday. In the background, reading elegant JavaScript. Today we're practicing this skill. See if I know it. Gonna complete the front end library stuff on Free Code Camp next, and then once we do that, so every stream I'm streaming every day too, learning every day, and every stream the first hour just gonna pick a random website and see if I can build it in HTML and CSS. And so one to get practice going, and two, yeah, well mainly to get practice going, right? And then the second half of the website is going to be um, JavaScript30.com. I don't know if you guys know this. So this guy, he's got this free 30-day challenge, basically. Um, this guy called Wes Boss. And I'm going to go through each and one of these and build it out. So again, to get more practice, solidify everything I've learned so far. Yeah, so that's the plan. That's what we got in store until March next year. I'm donating the money I make from Twitch to Free Code Camp. I think I'm currently on $16. So once it has 100, get my first paycheck, and then we're gonna donate all of that. Once all of that is done, and then I'm gonna build a real project. The Workcity is my friend's startup, and he needs some help building that out. So I'm hoping by March I'll be confident enough to start building some real world stuff. So if that interests you, if you're learning to code and if you want to learn JavaScript or web development, stick around, and yeah, it'll be a lot of fun. We also have a Twitch and Discord channel. There's a bunch of people. I think how many we got now? 22 people. Mainly Bo, Bird, Bad Cop, Nico hangs out sometimes in different ghosts. These are like pros. You know what they're doing. So when I'm going through a challenge, they'll put their solutions in here, and we kind of afterwards compare notes. And then there's also a live stream voice channel. Normally jump on, and then they're just walking through the code, or like they share the screen and share tips and tricks. So yeah, if any of that interests you, then do hang around, and yeah, let's learn together. And just PC, thanks for the follow, man. Appreciate it. All right, so right now I'm trying to build rock paper scissors, right? So far, here's what I got. Round is a function that I built, which signifies the start of a round. It takes in a value, and the value can be P, S, or R for paper, rock, or scissors. So when I input it, it will then compute a random number for the computer, and computer either get paper, rock, or scissors. And then I'm hard coding it right now. Is depending on what the user gets versus what the computer gets, is going to spit out one of these, right? So if I now second round, let's say I want to do scissors, computer beat me, scissors, computer won again, user one. There's also a case for, oh wow, look at that. Oh, it says user one because the score went above 2. So now I'm trying to figure out how to actually fix that. So refresh. Here we go. So yeah, there's a draw. So it's either going to be a draw, computer's going to win, or I'm going to win. And once it's a best of 5. Once the score reaches a limit, which is over 2, so the first 3, the game's going to finish, and it's just going to say user 1 or computer defeated you. Let's see. Okay, so I won that again. So that's where we're at. So right now I'm trying to figure out how to reset the game after it gets to this level. And I think I also have a bug where computer score can become 4, but the user can be a 3. So if I console log user round score, right? So that's 3. Comp round score, that's 4. You see, like computer shouldn't be able to go above 3. Right? The game should stop. Okay, how do we do that? Also, what's everyone's story? So you guys are all, well, I don't know who's still here from the class. Who's from Strager? What's going on, man? I see you. How's it going? Yeah, what do you guys do? Just first year students, second year students? Okay, how do we make this work? Problem is the or. You mean this one? Okay, it can either be that or that. Oh, and right. If the user scores less than 3 and the computer scores less than 3, then keep to going. Don't let it go above that. Yeah, you're right. Right, yeah. Okay, let's try and run it through. So, S, computer 1, I1 again, computer 1. So, it should be 2 and 2 now, right? Yeah, 2 and 2. Let's say paper. It's a draw. It's a draw. Oh man, computer. Okay, computer's now got 3, so it should have spit out this thing, and it shouldn't let me keep going. Well, actually, there we go. Computer 1. Okay, okay, that's good. But I needed to automatically do this and not have to wait for another input to go through. For the code below to run, right? How do you fix that? I guess I need to do an else here. Else, and then within the else statement, we've got these rules. Maybe. Just then you got user score and comp score, which aren't printed currently. These ones. Yeah, that stopped printing. It was printing when I was doing when I had everything console logged. It was working then. So why is it not printing? Let's try. Okay, we fixed this problem. So it no longer needs, because it's an else statement, right? So that one's not good. So draw, it's a draw. Computer's got 1, 1, 2, 1 to me, 3, 1 to me. Actually, no, it still needs an input. Okay, I actually don't know how to do that. Without the else, you don't need an input. Also get rid of that. Okay, draw, computer 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1. There you go. Should have just spit out there. Without the else, you don't need another input. I also need to be able to display these two, right? Don't think that's going to return right now, does it? Legal return statement. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. So we can have a thing. Did I close the tab? I probably closed. Okay, so we can have the initial thing showing 00, and then you click on a button on the page somewhere. It's going to show the output draw again, I1, and then this should now update the score, right? Okay, that's another question. How to update and show the score once it does a plus plus. That's another thing. After a return, the function exists. Oh, after the return, the function exists. Remember that. Read my last message. After the function, after the return. So these return. All right. Okay. Let's see. So here's the function starts, right? If it is undefined, do all of this get calculations, and then if I may talk to you if you want. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. Are you in here? Having your bucks, right? That's your name. Yep. Okay. Let me add you. How do I add? Oh, I don't know. If you join the Twitch chat, I can move you over to that one. Dun, dun, dun. But are you back too? I see you. All right. How do I move you here? Hey, what's up, man? How's it going?
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. What's up? I can't hear you now, though. Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yep. I
Okay,
heard
perfect.
he's. Yeah, that's amazing.
What I wanted to tell you, the return, if you have a function, any function, the return is the point where the function ends. It returns something and then exits the function. So in your case, each step you have there with the return statements, when the function reaches that part, it returns the stuff and then it doesn't proceed further.
Okay. All right. How do I stop it? So I needed to say you beat that because I was using console.log earlier, right?
The console logs is something that you can use to debug it or to get some feedback and don't disturb the function from going any further. But the return is really the end of the function at this point. So if you
Okay.
want to debug something or if you want to have some values generated from a function, then either you use the variable and put the return value in it, and then just use one return at the end of the function, or you use debug output like console log, for example.
Okay, so I need to put a return at the end. All right. Okay, that breaks my entire thing, and because I need to return either U1 or
Yeah, it doesn't matter. You can do that. Just store the return value you want in a variable and return this variable.
okay, I see what you mean. So if I do let result equals say empty string or whatever, and then I can go result equals this, right? Something like that, and then at the end I go return result, something like that.
Yeah, for example.
Okay, perfect. I'll see if I can. All right, so yeah, I can just keep doing this. Whoa, what happened? Man, I keep pressing the wrong button. All right, Command V is what I'm looking for. Right, and then it's going to return the result. Okay, so if I save this now, unquote error, result is not defined, 93. So that means I am doing this in the wrong place. Should be here. Hey, look at that. Okay, undefined.
Still, there's a problem. If you need to define the result above. So if you define the function, you should define the variable at the same level of as the function, for example, because you need the return value for the whole function. In this case, you just have a result defined for your if statement. So in this case, if for your game logic, but you also want a return value or a result value given for the final U1 statement. So in this case, you
Okay.
need to put let result equal whatever. You need to put the initialization for this variable right after you defined the function.
Right after? Okay. So if I put it somewhere here.
Yeah, for example, just in the same hierarchy level as the main
Like
parts
these
of
one.
the function.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to put it here. Result is that. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. So return result or else, this would be the else. Where's my else gone? Sorry. That's what happened.
Yeah,
Okay,
then you need to put the return result stuff at the end of it.
okay. So that's going to go in there, and then we're going to do the same thing. Result.
No.
No.
Keep in mind, do you have the one part which is the game logic?
Yeah.
The check you did with the end stuff above. So you just want to check if both scores are below 3. This is just the game logic. And otherwise, or in this case, if it's not below 3, you want to have something like the user 1 or computer 1 output. So if you use it like that, you will have the problem that it will never be user 1 because the first if statement never fires in this case.
First if statement of okay. So if da 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 else. Okay, man, what am I missing here? So if I do that, that's still not going to work. You're saying, right?
Put
Because
your code the user 1 and the computer 1 stuff. Put it out of the if user round score below 3 and comp round score below 3. out of this parenthesis, because this is your game logic, which you want to have working until user score or computer score is not below 3. And then if it is not below 3, one of them, you want to check for the who won.
If it's under so you want to, okay, I see what you mean. I'm trying to think how I would do that. So that needs to go first, right? If it's under 3 of that, then we're gonna run this. But if it's that, okay, I don't know if I just broke it.
You should put it below the statement. It's not one big if statement, because you have two states. You have one of the state with the game logic, and then you have one check for who won. So there is a really big difference between these both if statements.
Right. So this one checks if it's under 3 of that, and then it's going to return this result. Let's get rid of this. So you're saying below. So below mean like somewhere here?
Yeah, if you have the parenthesis for the user round score below 3, this parenthesis, close it. Just think about it. It's a closed block. You don't change anything in it. And after this if statement block, if after you have this user round score, blah blah blah, comp round score stuff, so line 72 is it? 72, then this block where it ends. After this block, you put if user round score be higher than 2, blah blah blah.
Okay. Is there now? No, man, I'm so confused. So if the score is less than 3, then it needs to execute this code, right? That's why it was there initially. But yeah, so all right, could you give me hints of
Right
what?
now, we have some delay in the stream, so in my view, it's line 96. After the parentheses at line 96, you put the statement you have.
Oh, these ones?
The stuff you have in the clipboard.
Yeah.
And then after this stuff, you put the return statement, return result, without any else.
Without any else, return. Okay. All right. Okay, I see. Okay, I think I'm getting what you're saying. So, draw 1 1. Okay, so
you need to delete the return result in 93, because otherwise it
oh,
will execute.
right. Yep. Good catch. So, all right. So that's the big if block, and then the second. Okay.
Exactly. Now you got it. Now you have the game logic parenthesis and the check for winner parenthesis.
Interesting. So it should. Okay. So do that. I won. So I got 1. Computers got 1 each. 2 1. Still 2 1. That's 3 1. So that's. Oh yeah, you're right. It spits out user 1 straight away. Nice. Okay, man. Thank you. So that's what I was missing. So it's the if. Okay. Cool. Awesome, man. Thanks so much.
Just one more thing that really bugs me. You have
Okay.
this thing. I just watched you yesterday, so I don't know if you do it every time, but you use 3 equals. The 3
Yes.
equals statement is something different from 2 equals. I hope you know that.
All right. So yeah. So I use 3 equals because apparently 2 equals 3 equals to check numbers and stuff, so it doesn't convert, or it converts. So if you use so if you had a string and a number, and if you use the equal sign, then it will convert either or to a number, and they'll do a comparison. But if it's just 3 equals, then I know exactly what I'm checking for.
Exactly,
if that makes sense.
Exactly, yeah.
So yeah, so that's why I use 3 equals all the time. Are you saying that's wrong, or?
Yeah, no. I just want to make sure that you're really aware why
Okay.
you are doing it. because
Got it.
otherwise you will really have some big problems later.
All right, I appreciate that, man. 100%. That's so. But I don't know if he's in the chat. Yeah, he taught me that. He's like, that was the difference. You need to do this. So, all right, cool. We now have a working game. Like in the console, it works. So now I need to figure out. Well, actually, it's not. Oh, going to refresh. I needed to also spit out the user scores somehow. Push it somewhere. Okay, I'll see if I can figure that out. Console log.
You can think about when do you really want to display it? Every time after each round, or just if something changed?
What is user score? Yeah, after. So user score is how I'm tracking. Because it's the best of 5, right? So yeah, because so when I do this now, it's 0, 0. So now it's computer 1, me 0, and first to reach 3 is gonna win. So it'd be good to sort of track like where you're at. So this would be 2, 0, computer 1. And then once computer wins, and then it's gonna go to the win total. One's gonna go there. Or maybe not. Maybe I just need a. Maybe once it wins, I plus plus the win column. Yeah, let's do that. That probably makes more sense actually. Yeah, you're right. Computer wins, and then I'll basically go. Right, what's that statement? So user 1. Actually, let's do that first. User wins plus plus, and then result that, and then return. Okay. Computer wins. All right, so that's going to go there. We're going to plus plus that. Right. And then at the end, return. Yeah, this here is doing nothing. Okay. Can I do another return here somewhere?
That's what I mean with the return and the console logs. Think about it. How your game right now functions. You have one function which returns a string. That's the only output you really get from the function. But you can do some more output stuff with console log. If you really want some complex or any UI in this case, you need to change the way you output your stuff from the function. So the output shouldn't be just one string, but for example, including the user and computer score.
Okay, how do I do that? 2 seconds. So we've got all right, so if I wanted those two, user runs score, computer runs score, can I have just like this? What's that going to do? Illegal return statement. Okay, return result plus. Oh, I think it's this one. It's not like it. Can I do that?
I know what you try to do, and you actually can do it by just using an array. Just create a return array with the stuff.
Okay. Oh, that means I need create an array.
Just
You
the
mean
special parentheses, the brackets. I don't know the English word for it. I'm not a native speaker, so what was it? Not the curly braces, not the standard
square
parentheses.
brackets? The square
Yeah,
brackets.
Right.
Okay. Cool. Yeah, he's doing that now.
And then add the comp round score, and you got it. You got both outputs.
Nice. Comp. Nice. Okay, and then we can, yeah. At this point, the game's over. Man, okay, cool. The game's functional. Thanks for your help tying those together. So I think the next step now is just trying to figure out how to put this on the UI. That's gonna be another thing. All right, cool. Any final thoughts on the game? Is there anything broken in the logic that you can see?
Not with logic. It's just your coding style. You have to improve it. It's just a learning thing. Currently, it's really, let's say let's say easy minded. Easy minded is the best word for it. But
Okay.
you get there. It's really a good effort. So just keep
Yeah.
up. Keep
All
up.
right. Awesome. Appreciate that, man. Thanks. This is day number 27 now, I think. All right. I can see it. I was comparing this, like, so when I look at my code compared to your code, even yesterday you posted some answers here like that. I think I was telling Bert, it's like my code is like Stickman level, and yours is like a Picasso painting, like that level. So yeah, I'm slowly trying to, right now, like, I think I've learned how to draw Stickman and figures like that. Now I'm trying to figure out how to do shading, right? And I
Well,
think that's
if
going
you think about it, you have 27 days of experience. I have around 25 years. So
to. Okay, okay.
that's quite a difference.
That also makes sense, yeah.
So
Cool.
yeah, keep up, have fun, and maybe talk to you later.
All right, sounds good. Can appreciate the help, man. Thanks. All right, cool. Sweet. Who's back? We've got Bert, are you back? Berserk Walnut, what's going on? Pale Blue Zebra, Ryan Hawkins back. What's happening? All right, we now have a functioning game. So now I want to see if we can build a UI and somehow connect them. Yeah, let's see if we can do that. I think I also accidentally closed the. Yeah, I've closed it. So we closed the thing I was trying to replicate, which is the Odin project. All right, rock paper scissors. There we go. Okay. Yeah, this one was good. Cat Queen. Look at that, that's also cool. So you pick that. Yeah, so this score, which we now have inside the array. Fantastic. Okay, this game is different. First to five, mine is first to three. Okay, whatever. That one's not too bad. Sultan, what's going on? What's it called? Computer, and then I like that how it says you win like that. That's pretty cool. I also like how it shows the options that was done. Number of rounds. Oh, look at that. Oh, you're gonna build that in because mine's hard coded right now, right? Which is 2. So it'd be interesting to see how you can set it up. Rock, paper, scissors, you, computer. Oh, look at that. That's cool. That's pretty cool. How it's got like first to 5. You lost a match. Make a choice to play it again. And then it resets. Okay. We need to change the game. I need it to be like this. First to 5 and not first to 3. So let's take a peek at that function. We can get rid of this now. Yeah, so we change this to 5. Right, so if it's greater than 4, it must be 5, and then that one is going to finish. But if it's under 5, then you can do all this stuff. I mean, that makes sense. um, so draw, computer 1, computer scores 2, you score 1, 2, 2, tie. Alright, so at this point, okay, I'm going first to 5, right? 4, 3, 5, 3, you 1. And then, yeah, and then it stops. Okay, cool. So we've changed the game to now to be first to 5. Alright, so let's now build out. I think the game's good. Now, yeah, let's build out the thing. To rock, paper, scissors, that's just going to be the title. Script's going to go down there. Okay. I like the scoreboard. That's pretty cool. Okay, that can go there, this can go there. I like these pictures, so I'm just gonna steal his images. Rock, paper, scissors. All right, let's see. We're gonna build a scoreboard that's gonna look like that. It should have a, I don't know, can I use a p tag for that? Use score computer score, right? All right, so these two are gonna go in here because they're gonna be child elements of those things. All right, so we've got the scoreboard thing. Hey, what's up, Marble? Welcome back. Welcome back. Okay, that's not good. It's got a yellow background. I do not like that. Yo, 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 what's up, man? What's going on? I think we have a functioning game. You wanna watch? You wanna play the game? Alright. So Marble's gonna pick paper. It's a draw. 0-0. Pick paper again, it's still a draw. Paper again. Computer beat you. Paper again. It's a draw. Alright. We need to pick scissors now. You won. 1-1. Scissors again. Computer beat you again. Rock. It's a draw. Rock again. It's a draw. Rock again. You won. 2-2. So we can continue going until someone wins, right? Okay. So now computer's got 5 and computer 1. Boom. We have a functioning game. So now the next step is making the UI and displaying this in the UI. Okay, how do you do that? This is pretty cool. Hey, what's up, Ryan? Alright, so game's good. We need to build the UI. It's gonna look like, I like the way 2-0 and it's a tie. Okay, that's the heading. This is the scoreboard section. Maybe put the scoreboard within, I don't know, like H3 or something. Okay, cool. That's gonna be the first. I also use divs a lot. I don't know what's better to use. Okay, that's gonna be the. So this is gonna be the user side, right? Let's say class. Class equals scoreboard. And then a div with class equals computer. All right, so that's what we have. And then we're gonna wrap all of these within a massive, probably a section tag. There are more semantic tags, but okay. All right. So I think we'll build it with this, and then we'll change it with most things that makes more sense afterwards. How does that sound? Because I definitely need to learn more. Right. So we got that. Do I want it like that? Choose your weapon. You computer. Okay. I do like how the scoreboard's in the middle like that. Let's see if this works. Body. Do I do a dot? Rock, paper, scissors, .css. Don't think I've connected the CSS file. No, not yet. All right. How do you connect the CSS file? Link. Black Friday. Okay. Doesn't tell me where it needs to go though. To link that. Oh, in the head section. In the head section. Okay, should be good. I'll go to these. Yay, look at that. It's connected now. Alright, so we can get rid of this for now. Alright, so we got a section. That's going to be the... Do you usually do the JavaScript before the HTML? I've thought about doing it that way. This is the first ever time I'm doing this. So the question is, do you usually? Answer is yes. But this is the first time I've ever built anything. So with JavaScript, that is. Yeah. Class. I don't know, main. Going forward, I don't know. We'll see how this plays out. Because I just did JavaScript, so I wanted to make sure the JavaScript is working, at least the game itself is working. And then once it's working, I was like, I'm gonna then figure out how to display on the page. But yeah. Alright, so we've got a main class. How do you select class? I think you do a dot for that, right? Dot main. Display flex. What's even going to go in the user section? I think the scoreboard needs to be on top, and then we'll have the three options here, and then user score. All right, let's pull out the bad boy Canva. Typically, people do the other way around when they're using frameworks because interesting. All right, let's design our game, and then all right, create a design. Whatever, just use this one. This is what I was using for Twitch. Okay, that's bad. The dimensions on that is messed up. Yeah, that's the wallpaper, that'll do. Right, so we are going to have a scoreboard somewhere in the middle, or somewhere on the top, rather. Okay, that's gonna go somewhere here like that. And then what I like about the other guy's stuff here, that was pretty cool. Okay, scoreboard needs to be something like that, way at the top. Okay. So those are going to be the options. That's going to go smack in the middle, right there. Well, if I'm gonna have this, I don't need a scoreboard, do I? Because that's gonna be the scoreboard here. It's just gonna blip, 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 blip. I have no idea how I'm gonna do that. Okay, let's do that instead. Boom, boom. You computer. Okay, we need the message to go somewhere. Okay, I think the output's gonna go. I don't know if this is gonna make sense or not. The result is gonna go somewhere here. And then obviously the heading of the page. Hey, that looks so cool. All right. Okay. Yep. Okay. I know what I want to do. So we'll take that. We're gonna make that the heading right in the middle. All right, that's gonna be there. Here's where the result's gonna be. Let's duplicate that. So this is gonna go in this section. Oh, that's just gonna do that. Okay, that's not what I want. I wanted to crop it. Okay, so we got the U, and then we're gonna crop this. Right, so we're gonna have that. Maybe this needs to be slightly. Okay, that's gonna go there. Maybe we can have these three in the same line. right? Something like that. And I also like how you've got one of these. And it highlight 2-1 in red. Okay, how does that look, guys? that's my design skills. Okay, it works. Yeah. All right. We'll keep that one around. This was all right. Okay. So that means to build this thing, we're gonna have to redo some of our stuff. Okay, that can go away. That can go away. All right, so go main section. Okay, heading. Okay, school one is okay. So yeah, we're gonna call it choices because those are the things you're gonna select, and then within that, I think 3 divs, and this basically is class equals rock. Rock, paper, scissors, right? Just so we can see them easily right now, let's give them borders. I forget how you select multiple. Okay. It's gonna be 50 by 50. Oh, 500. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors. Multiple classes. Oh, comma.xyz. All right. Dot rock. Paper. Dot scissors. All right. So now we should have 3 red boxes. No. I think it's just overlapping each other. All right. We're going to display flex and then justify content, is it? No. Flex direction. Row. How's that? I am so confused. Where are they gone? Where's the paper and scissors? Oh, look at that. It's right. Okay, we need some space in between them. How do you have space between? Space. Oh, space around maybe. Justify content. There we go. There we go. Okay, so we've got a version of rock paper scissors which we're going to replace with images later on. I want to send it with H1 too. Okay, so we got rock paper scissors in the middle. Text line, that's done. Okay, so now we need this section, which is going to be the school section, right? Alright, section gonna be school, and within that, so another div. This is going to be user score, and then comp score. Right. We use something else in the middle. This is going to be the scoreboard. Not scoreboard. This is going to be this thing here that says it's a tie. Result or something. Round result. That makes sense. All right, so we can take score, do the same thing. Maybe I can do this. Do you know, I don't want that red. Score, display flex, flex direction. row. Oh, I got the wrong kind of box in there. Okay. Maybe a 30 pixel margin up top. Just kind of want to see the color as the background. Okay, so that's what that looks like. Perfect. I do want it to say you result computer. All right, so that's what we got. How do I create a space between those? Okay, and maybe one more section. And this is gonna have, yeah. So user choice. Computer choice. This one's gonna be class equals round result. Okay. Yeah, so that round result, and that one's also gonna be display flex direction. That one's also gonna be a column. Sorry, that one's gonna be a row, or column. Right, okay, and just for kind of stretch. All right, space between or space evenly. Yeah, space evenly makes sense. Look at that. That's weird. Why did they add? I don't know why he's doing that. I don't know why he's doing that. But yeah, okay, whatever. We'll come back to that. So we got the building blocks. Rock, paper, scissors. These are going to be replaced by the images. We need that thing in there. These little circles. Results going to go in there. Easy choice, computer choice. And then we got a versus in the middle. Okay. All right, so we may have to do something like this. Div. User. Right, we're gonna move that in there. User score, and then div. This is gonna have the 5 circles. Div, and this one's gonna have a class of comp computer, right? And it's gonna have a computer score. Okay, how's that? All right, there we go. And then user and computer, we need to same thing. Display flex. Right, so we can display a flex, and then we flex direction is going to be row again. Right, there we go, and then justify content stretch. Stretch doesn't do anything. Space between. Okay. Why won't it do that? All right, so the user I don't understand. Dev.user score. That's div. Okay, user, display flex, flex direction row, justify content, space round. Why doesn't it do that? Space. I don't know why it doesn't do that. What if I make it bigger? Not entirely sure, man. Not entirely sure what's going on. feel like I need to take a break. We've been at it for 2 hours. Can take a quick 10-minute break. What's going on, chat? Who's in the chat? What's happening? What are you guys working on? Ryan, are you coding something right now? Got Marbles there. Mike's back. LJ, what's up? LJ Card. Berserk Walnut, what's going on? Kassan is back. What's up, man? Not much. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. We finished the free code camp for JavaScript yesterday. So now started building projects. Today we're building rock, paper, scissors. Streamed like 7 hours yesterday. And today, we did a 4 hour stream earlier. So almost 6 hours already today, too. So yeah, my life's just been working and learning to code, man. That's all I've been doing. What about you? What you up to? Working on Oracle Linux install and config. Working to Oracle DB install. What is that? Oracle Linux. Okay, what does this let you do? PL SQL. I know what SQL is, some kind of database stuff. I don't know what PL is. Okay, very cool. Very cool. The SQL version. Okay. Is this for work or for your personal kind of projects? Work and personal. Nice, nice, nice. I don't know why it doesn't add cap there. So we're gonna have user choice and we're gonna have an image. The image needs to be dynamic too, right? Does image need a closing tag? I don't even. Alright, let's say it's this one. Why is the image not showing up? Yeah, image src. Got the source. Should be it. I don't know why it's not working. You know what? That user choice was meant to be an image, which apparently doesn't work for some reason. Right. Let's try a different picture. Might be too big though. Just don't know why. Why does it go with this format and stuff? Maybe we should put the rock. That'd be funny. Okay, so that picture works. I think the GitHub one was maybe not public or something. That's my guess. That was odd. Yeah, it doesn't make any sense. I have no idea why that didn't work. Oh, maybe it was because it was a PNG. That still doesn't make sense. Okay. All right, we'll copy the same thing here because this is just a placeholder for now. Right. So rock and rock, fantastic. User computer. Wait, what did I call it? Round result, right? Margin top. We're gonna give it like a 20 pixels. Okay, need a bit more. I think we need a fixed height on this one. Say 10 pixels. How's that? Too less. Yep, okay. No. Probably 30 pixels there as well. Alright, there you go. There we go. The verses used to come somewhere in the middle. I don't know how to do that yet. Alright, so we've got the building blocks, right? So when I click on that, that should do paper, rock, scissors. So we need to find images. Alright, let's get some paper rock. Hey, look at that, that's sick. Paper rock, scissors, PNGs. How's that? Iconspng.com. Actually, I saw something. That's cool. Alright. Oh, that's one single PNG, man. Do you know what? I think that just needs to be text. That's going to be a button that's clickable, and the image is then going to show up here. Yeah, let's do that. This is what Marble was talking about. Clickable buttons, I think. So instead of a div, I think that's going to be a button. Okay, does that make sense? Yeah, look at that. That's a button. Perfect. All right, so we now have 3 buttons on the page. Right, okay, cool. We need some rock, paper, scissors, PNGs, man. Okay, that one's cool. paper. It has to match the style of the other one. See, old paper. How's that? Yeah, that one's cool, but it's transparent. No, we go with this one. Okay. Those icons would be so cool if we had the rock, paper, scissors, hands. Boom, boom. Right, so basically needs to do that. Design's kind of okay. I guess we can mess around with the designs later. Let me see if next step now is see if we can connect those things to this, to the JavaScript. All right, how the hell do we do that? So you do get element by ID, get element by ID. All right. ID is going to be scissors. Can I do that? Variable x equals get element by id, document dot get element by id. All right. So in our JavaScript, the P, paper, the rock, and the scissors. Okay, so I think what we can do is instead of equals to paper, maybe we can do document dot get element by id, paper. Okay, does that work? And the value, oh wow, okay, the value right now, the value right now is we manually enter in, right? So somehow I need to connect the value into one of these, P, R, or S. How do we do that? Get that equals that, let's say. Pass element ID into a JavaScript function. There we go. Button ID class on click. Oh, on click equals my function this. Aha, that's what we need to do. So on click equals that directly into the HTML. Right, so button class. And the function is round that takes in a value. Okay. That doesn't work. Oh, this dot ID. So ID would be this dot value. No. I don't understand. That's exactly what we've done. Right, okay, let's get rid of the thing. Let's just have a class. Actually, no, you do need thing classes rock button scissors button Value is different than ID. What do you mean? You mean I have to put in value here too? I understand. So the value would be, so I've got this function that's around that takes in a value. Value equals ID equals. Okay, what are you trying to say, man? What are you trying to tell me? All right, let's see if I can understand what that means. Value equals ID equals. You can pass this as ID. Okay, this is ID. I think you're telling me to then assign value to be document.element by ID. Wait, okay. So ID's there. The ID and you mean this? Change button to rock. I mean, this is this. Oh crap! Hang on, I misspelled that. Okay. Change button to rock. Oh crap! That's what you want. Okay. So the IDs need to match. Okay, is that all? Is that it? Did I change something here? Alright, let's get rid of that. ID equals rock. Then you on-click round. This.id. Okay. I'm not sure what round does. Okay. Round is a function that takes in a value and then it runs my game. So if I did in the console round, and I put P, which let's say rock R, it's going to do that. It's going to execute the function. I'm not sure what round does. It's a string. alert or console write your value passed into round to see what you're getting. Oh, it is working. So it's getting rock, but what it should be getting instead, should be getting R. Ah, okay. So how do you change to R? This has to be R. Then. Okay, so it's just getting R, but it is not running. Okay, we're getting close. So that console log was a great idea, man. To see what's been passed in. So when I click on busy paper's not gonna do anything, so it's not gonna do anything. That's gonna JS55. Yeah, so it's going to log in the value that's passed in. Console log after the let number line. You mean somewhere here? $59. Value is R. Number's 1. So if it equals 1, computer input should be P. Yeah, that's fine. So why is it not returning any of those? Oh, maybe it is. Okay, that's a problem. 0 should never be 0. Okay, it's 0 because we're doing math.floor, right? So it needs to be math.round. Yeah, okay. Alright, so that fixes that, but the problem is with the numbers, it's not. And then if there was score, Breakpoints and debug or console write values for different steps for script to debug for functions that are not working. All right, sounds good. But if I run it myself though like that, it does work. Right here, the function is working, but the wait, why are we still getting 0? Right, and then yeah, computer one, computer one, computer one. So once you reach 5, you win the game. What was the 0 thing? 59. Okay, numbers 1. All right, so computer input scissors. That's also good. Unexpected return. All right, let's get return. All right, click on rock. So what's the problem here? Versus if I do that, we get it's a draw, right? But if I do this way, wait, no, it is working. Computer score's not going up. That's not going up. All right, we have a bug in the system. Oh man, don't know. I think I've been looking at this code for way too long. My brain's just missing simple things now. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I want to take a break, man. My brain is dead. Yeah, thanks for hanging around. Thanks for the mini lessons, Kasan. That definitely helped get the rock thing working. Just need to figure out why. Why is the number still going 0? Yeah, so number shouldn't be going to 0. That's something I need to figure out. Yeah, okay. Cool, guys. I'm gonna end the stream. We'll be back tomorrow and we'll continue this. So thanks again. Enjoy the rest of your day. And if you're from America, happy Thanksgiving. Later, guys.